Hey credit heroes, do you have a passion for credit repair but don't know how to turn it into a successful business? Well, today I'm going to share a 7-step business plan that will get you on the road to a credit repair empire. So you better stick around. My name is Daniel Rosen and welcome to Credit Repair Business Secrets. A business plan is a roadmap to success where you strategize, organize, and set measurable goals in finance, sales, marketing, and operations. The purpose of a business plan is to help you, the entrepreneur, communicate your vision, stay focused on your objectives, identify problems, make informed decisions, and maybe even acquire funding or secure partnerships. Without a business plan, entrepreneurs make quick and costly mistakes. Their business gets stuck in the mud instead of moving forward because they didn't make a map to guide them on their journey. Here's how this relates to us. Every business needs a plan, but creating a business plan is more beneficial than you may realize. A business plan teaches you how to sell. First, you sell yourself on the idea of your business, and then you sell it to the rest of the world. Last year, 42% of Americans were denied financial products like credit cards or loans because their credit scores were too low. 40% of Americans have a credit score under 700. 25% don't even know their credit score at all or how it's calculated. And 79% of credit reports contain errors that can cause credit scores to drop. See what I mean? Those few stats identify the size and scope of your total market. They express the needs of your target customers and imply the value of your credit repair services. And I didn't even mention how we change lives and make dreams come true, or the fact that the credit repair industry is recession-proof, remote-friendly, and the operating costs are very, very low. I don't want to tell you exactly what to write in your business plan, but you should definitely include that. Here's the thing to remember. You don't need a business plan in order to run and grow a successful business, but you should still make one anyway. Entrepreneurs love to move fast and figure things out as they go, but not having a plan is how people run out of gas in the middle of the desert. Recent studies have shown that companies with plans grow 30% faster than companies that have no plan. But quality matters. Business plans that are short, flexible, and tailored to unique businesses have proven to be a better indicator of future success than super long, hyper-generic plans. The studies also suggested that having a business plan is less about predicting the future and more about setting regular goals and tracking your actual progress and making changes to your business as you learn more about your customers. Here's why this is important. You don't actually have to write the business plan yourself. You can hire a business plan specialist to write it for you. But if this is your first time running a business, you should absolutely try to write it yourself. You know your business better than anyone, and no one can accurately communicate your vision better than you. Writing your business plan is also a fantastic learning experience. It's a research and brainstorming exercise that can help you to develop your overall strategy and your communication skills. Each step of the writing process explores a different aspect of your business, including some that you still might need to focus on. Here's what you need to know. A successful credit repair business plan is made up of 7 key steps that outline your core strategies, services, and your target market. They are: Step 1, executive summary. This serves as an introduction and it should provide a brief overview of your entire business plan. It's often recommended that the executive summary is written last so that you can quickly piece it together using the highlights from the other sections. Step 2, business description. This is where you define the problems that your business will solve. This should include your mission statement and facts about the market opportunity, like the numbers we discussed earlier, and additional statistics. It should also include a short description for each of the unique services that you provide, dispute letter filings, credit counseling, etc., with a blurb about the value of that service in relation to the business. Step 3, market analysis. In this section, you'll write a data-driven breakdown of the credit repair industry, your target market, market trends, potential opportunities, partnerships, and competitor analysis. Be sure to cite the sources of your crucial data points, especially if they're taken from industry reports or national media outlets. They'll bolster your analysis and present you as a serious professional. Step 4, marketing and sales strategy. Now, use your market analysis data to define who your customer is, where to find them, and how your company will position itself to serve them best. This should include the channels and tactics that you're going to use to reach your targets, whether it's print media, social media, email, content, or affiliate marketing tactics. In this section, you should also define your pricing strategy, your sales process, and your customer retention tactics. Step 5, financial plan. This is where you build a budget. So outline all your expenses and make realistic projections for expected revenue, profits, loss, and funding needs. You should also build a system of tracking your return on investment and measuring the financial performance of your business. Step 6, operations and management. This is your opportunity to explain how your business is organized and how it actually runs. This is also where you explain if you're a sole proprietorship that likes to outsource, or a partnership that divides responsibilities, an LLC, etc. You use this section to explain your standard operating procedures, hiring and training, implementing changes, tools, and technology. As you build out your standard operating procedures, you'll probably identify holes or challenges, but this is a great time to develop those solutions. Step 7, goals and performance evaluation. The final step is to present your process for monitoring and evaluating performance. This includes setting goals for yourself and your business, tracking customer satisfaction, and conducting regular financial reviews. These performance evaluations will alert you when you need to adjust your strategies or refine your processes and improve aspects of your business. Now, I know this sounds like a lot, but remember, those with a plan grow faster than those without. And if that's not enough, and if you're ready to take your credit repair business to the next level, go to creditrepaircloud.com/free training and take our masterclass. The masterclass was built by a team of credit heroes with decades of experience serving thousands of clients. It comes with 6 months of software, in-depth marketing, sales, and business lessons, plus our advanced disputing, affiliates, and automations training courses. And here's my final point. Creating a 7-step business plan, it may seem daunting, but it's going to answer questions that you didn't think to ask. It's going to reveal skills you didn't know you had, and it's going to put your business in the best possible position to succeed. And I'll end by saying, if you want to learn the full blueprint for a successful credit repair business, check out my episode, Credit Repair Business 101. And if you'd like to get certified in the disputing process and gain confidence and grow your very own credit repair business, check out our Credit Hero Challenge. Doors are closing soon, so sign up right now at creditherochallenge.com and start changing lives.